Introducing SOLIDWORKS PCB powered by Altium. It is a mechatronics or electronics design solution that provides the best PCB design technology to enable powerful and seamless collaboration with SOLIDWORKS CAD mechanical design, with a managed ECO change process and distinct workflows to keep you at your most productive. Here are some key capabilities of SOLIDWORKS PCB. PCB Design Engine, which is industry-proven Altium-based design engine for layouts and routing of printed circuit boards. Library Management, where you can combine and manage your schematic and PCB components libraries together in a single location. It promotes reuse of components that you know and trust from successful past projects. Supplier Link. You are able to make immediate decisions on pricing and availability of your components to meet your budget and deadlines. You are able to search your preferred supplier database within and link solution directly to your design. ECAM MCAD Design Collaboration, where you can achieve unmatched ECAM MCAD integration and collaboration with SOLIDWORKS by unifying data, pushing changes to both sides of design project. Manage ECO process, where you can manage changes to board shapes, components placement, mounting holes, keep-outs and cutouts in both SOLIDWORKS PCB and SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD through managed engineering change orders, no matter where the change initiated. If you are currently using Altium, you can just purchase SOLIDWORKS PCB connector as an extension to connect your Altium to SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD. The SOLIDWORKS PCB is designed for streamlined productivity and ease of use, so you can enjoy a modern interface with an easy-to-navigate option to get your PCB designs done quickly and efficiently. Contact us now if you want to know more about SOLIDWORKS Electrical Design.